So try to use in desktop only. Why? Because mobile will not be that much perfect. You'll have a low screen. Now I'm disabling this audio and video section so that the screen will be filled. Okay, fine. So here, what is the first module we are going to learn? What is a website? So see, in general, everybody will have a name. For example, my name is Mohan. People will call with my name. That is my identity. Okay. You have a name. Ilya Dik is having a name. That is a name, or his or her, I don't know the gender. Now that is their identity. The person who's outside there, who's listening this, they have the names. That is their identity. Your schooling, your school have a name. That is their identity. Your college has a name. That is an identity. Now each company will also have a name. That is their identity. Now here, website will call as an identity for the business. Okay. Without website, the business will not be successful. So every company should have a website. For example, think that you don't have a website. One of your marketing person went to some client and he's explaining overall concepts or overall services he have, and he came back. Now if client is having any doubt, then he'll be calling to that marketing person. Now if the first time he's calling, then that is fine. Second time he's calling, the marketing person is answering to the call, fine. Now we don't know when the marketing person will be busy. Think that the same client is calling for the 10th time for the doubts, then our marketing person may be in a serious situation, or he is in busy with some other situation, then he can't handle that call. So if you have a website, then seriously, it's like client will go to the website, he can check all services which you are providing, and he can check the office numbers which are available there. He can check rest of all the things which you support, or he can check your address, everything, whatever he want, he can check in your website if there is a soft copy. Now anywhere from the world, he can open this website. Okay, now that is a website. Now whatever we are seeing now, this is a website of DMM Academy. This is a website. Now website will not be done directly. There is some process in between. If you are doing that process only, this website will be constructed and you can see on the internet. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll open your mics so that I can analyze whether you're getting that one. Yeah, if you have any doubts in between, you can question me. Do you have any doubt on this? What is a website? Is it clear? Hello? Yeah, fine. You can use your voice. You can use your voice. Why? Because every time if I want to check the chat, I have to come here. If you have the audio related thing, try to use your audio. That will be better. That will save our time. Fine. So now websites are divided into two types again. Okay, websites are divided into two types. For example, I'll take a notepad, then that will be easy for us. Now this is for 11 o'clock. WordPress. Okay. Now we are talking about website. Now I said website is nothing but an identity of a business. Okay. Now these websites are divided into two types. First is a static site. Okay. First one is a static site, and second one is the dynamic site. We call websites in two ways: static site and a dynamic site. Now we'll see what is static site and what is dynamic site. See, static site, now that is a small website. Okay, that is a small website with limited pages. Limited means 4 to 5 pages. Okay, 4 to 5 pages with fixed content. That means they'll not update the content regularly. Okay, once in a while they'll update. Now that is called a static site. That is not a simple static site. Is a small site like schools, colleges. So example of this one. Now if you go to dynamic sites, now dynamic sites are nothing but a big sites like e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce sites, or it may be job related portals, it may be marriage related. Okay, anything which are big, or it may be OLX, Quicker, Just Dial, anything. That these all comes under dynamic. That means big sites. They'll be updating regularly. The regular content will be updated. Okay. Now these are the type of the sites: static site and dynamic site. Static is nothing but a small site. Dynamic is a big site. Now think that you, after completion of this course, if you are designing a static site, then you can earn 8,000 per website. 8,000 per website. Now it will go for client to client. You can go for 10,000 also, depends. 10,000 also, depends to client, and depends to business to business. Okay. And if you are going with a dynamic site, if you are going with a dynamic, for example, you design an e-commerce website to somebody. Okay. As an individual, you designed. You're not a company. You designed to somebody. Now you can charge minimum 30,000 as a freelancer. You can charge 30,000 as a freelancer. If work is more, products are more, then you can go with 40. Okay. Now we'll analyze how companies will take here. Now, as an individual, you will take static site for 8 to 10,000. Now, if we go for companies, they'll take minimum 15,000 for static site. Minimum 15,000 for static site. And if companies are doing a dynamic site, then they'll go 60K to 1 lakh. Seriously, 60K to 1 lakh. This much they'll cost. And it may go high, 1.5, 2 lakh. No, depends upon the website it will go. So these are the sites, types of sites, static and dynamic. Now, second one we'll see what is a domain name. Now I said a site will not be C. For example, now this DMM Academy is there. Now this is a website you are seeing. But how this website is showing on internet? There are two sections for it. There are two sections. Show a website online. First thing we require a domain. And next thing we require hosting. We'll see what is domain, what is hosting. Okay. So first we'll see what is a domain name. Domain name is nothing but a business name. Okay. Domain name is nothing but business name. Okay, that means, for example, now what is my domain name? dmmacademy.in. This is my domain name. Okay. Now this is a domain name. In the technical term, this is a domain. At the same time, we call it as a website. Okay. Somebody will ask, see, if you are with the technical knowledge, then you'll be asking what is your domain. Or if you don't have the technical knowledge, what you'll be asking, what is your website? Okay, now that is the difference. Now the name dmmacademy.in. Now that is a domain. Now domains are also differentiated in many types. Okay, domains are also differentiated in many types. See, in the third one, we can see types of domains. Okay, types of domain. That means, see, what is DMM Academy? DMM Academy.in is there. Okay, DMM Academy.in is there. For example, if I show some other website, for example, now this website, what is this website name? You can see the URL. What is the URL here? What is the website name?
Online shopping.
Here, what is the name here? Anyone from the group? Dealsmania.com. Okay. Now, why I'm showing this? Because see, now this is a .com. Now, when I went to DMM Academy, that is a .in. Okay. Now that means now domains are differentiated. .com domains will be available. That is a global domains. .com domains are called global domains, and we have country level domains also. For example, I want a domain related to India, then I can take .in. Okay. If think that I'm staying in US, now I want a US related domain, then I can book a domain .us. That means here I'll have some name. Some name I'll have .us. Okay. Now that means these are country domains. Whichever country you want, that will be available. And we'll have hello. Yeah, try to concentrate on the class, please. I'm getting a disturbance. I'll off the mic.
Yes, sir.
Please try to concentrate. Yeah. Now, for example, now these are global domains. These are country level domains. Sometimes we'll have organization also. For example, if an organization is there, they want any website, then they can take organization related domains also. For example, if a lawyer is there, they can take on their name, on their profession, lawyer. Or if a doctor is there, they can take on their profession, doctor. So these are types of domains. Okay, these are types of domains. Where is the website? Yeah. So these are the types of domains. And see, now people will be in confusion sometimes. What kind of domain I should take? I don't have any ideas to take a domain. They'll be having their business. Their business will have a name. Okay, but sometimes what will happen? Just a minute. Some student is messaging me. Okay, so so at that time, what we should do? Simply go to Google. Okay, search for domain name suggestions or domain name generator. Anything you want. Okay, anything you want. You can go here. You can go now. These are ads. These are ads. These will be doing digital marketing. If you know digital marketing, you know this one. You can analyze this thing. Okay, now we are not learning digital marketing. We are not in WordPress. Okay, so here we'll go here domain name generator. So here see, now I want a domain on my name. Okay, now when I searched, he's giving me some options. Now mohan.com is asking you want to buy. Now he's giving some suggestions: web mohan, mohanir, mohanli, mohannet, mohan world. So these are suggestions. Now based upon your suggestions, you can go with your domain name. Okay, if you don't have idea that you're not getting a better domain name, then you can go here. You can search for the better domain name. Okay, if somebody is taking notes, no problem. We are recording the session. We'll send a link to you. Fine. So here, now how to register a domain name. Now we learned what is a website. In a website, we'll have two types: static and dynamic. After that, we learned what is a domain. Domain is nothing but a business name or a website name. And we learned types of domains in it: .com, .in, doctors, lawyers, organizational, different types. And we learned suggestions from where to pick a domain name if you're not having an idea. For example, see, now if a baby is born, the father and mother, they'll be searching online for the names. So that is also one kind of thing. So this is also the same example. Okay, so here how to register a domain name. So see, we all are using mobiles.
No,
We all
laptop.
are using mobiles. No,
Laptop.
Generally we have mobiles. Okay, in this mobiles we'll have networks. My network is Idea. Okay, now each one will have a different network. Okay, now that means Idea owner is giving permission, like he is giving a SIM to me. to run a mobile network on my mobile. Okay.
Yes.
Now he's the owner. Now Idea is there, Airtel is there, Vodafone is there, Jio is there. All of the above, one person will be there called Troy. Okay, in mobile versions, if we talk in mobile versions, there will be a owner in the top of them. Now he will be giving permission to them, and they will sell the SIMs and they will sell the networks. And when they get the huge amount, they'll give to Troy. Okay, this will be the process according to mobiles. Now, the same way, for these domains also, we have lots of service providers. We have lots of service providers who are selling domains, hostings, lots of things will be available inside. So we'll be seeing. So, did you anybody heard GoDaddy anytime?
Yes.
Big Rock? We don't have any attendance form. Now we will be analyzing who attended. No issue. Okay. So there are lots of service providers. Okay. Now I'll give you two service providers who are best, and in that you tell me who is the best. Okay. So we'll see two service providers. Why I'm telling this? Because see, now for example, you went for a shopping and you asked, you wanted to buy some product. Okay, now that product is for 1,000 rupees. Now the same product, the same quality, if you are getting for 500 rupees, then where you will go? Where you will go? You will go to 1,000 or you will go to 500? Obviously, we'll go to 500. Why? Because see, in that 500 we can go with two products. I can buy two products. Okay, so I'll show. Then you decide where to go. So I'll go to GoDaddy. Okay, GoDaddy is a service provider. Now, see what I said, for mobiles, there is a person called Troy, the government body. He will give permission to the networks. Now they will sell that one. Now GoDaddy is a service provider, I said. Now who will give permission to GoDaddy? Anyone have any idea? Anybody have any idea? No. Anyone from the class? We have total 6 members in the class. Including me, it is 7. No idea. Fine. So we'll see first domains and I'll tell who is the person. Okay. So here, now there is a search option. Now here I can search for a domain name. Okay, I can search for a domain name. Now see, I'm searching for mohan123.com. Okay, I'm searching for a domain called mohan123.com. Now when I clicked on search, yes, is this available? Yes, it is available. Now what he's telling, 199 rupees per year. If I'm registering, if I'm buying this product for 2 years, then I can get this product for 199. Okay. Now I'll compare with the second service provider. Okay, I'll compare with the second service provider. Now the second service provider is domainsooner.com. Okay, second service provider is the domainsooner.com. I'll check whether it is recording or not. Yeah. Now it is domainsooner.com. Now here also I have a search option. Now I'll search for, yes, I'll search for the same thing, mohan123.com. Yeah, see, once it is available for any service provider, it is available. Once you have taken from one service provider, for all the service providers, it is booked. Okay, the domain is booked on the particular name or particular person. Now it is available. Okay, now what he is telling is selling that 719 rupees. Okay, in the starting we have seen this, but we'll see at the end what is the actual price. So I'm adding this product to cart from domainsooner. And I'll go with GoDaddy and I'll do the same thing here. I'm adding this product to cart. Okay. See, when I scroll down in the domain sooner or here also, I'll be having different domains. xyz.com, organization, club. I said this many things will be available. Lots of things are available. Shop related, lots of things. So depends upon your wish you can buy. Now I'm adding this product to cart. Now this product is added to cart. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll continue to cart. I'm in GoDaddy. I'm continuing to cart. So here is asking some more things to take. No, I don't want. I want only domain name. See, what is privacy protection? Now we'll get an SSL certificate. What is an SSL certificate? See, for example, now here I'm in GoDaddy website. In the top, you can see a lock here in the URL. In the top left corner of the URL, you can see a lock symbol.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, if you take this privacy protection, that means your website will be secure. Okay. When you have to take, if you have any online transaction in your website, then try to take an SSL. If that is a normal website, then not needed. Then go with simply no thanks. Okay. Simply no thanks. So here I'm clicking on continue to cart. So here what he is telling, domain privacy I don't want. Now see here domains will be per year by year. For example, if I'm buying this one for 1 year, then in the next year I have to renewal it. Okay. If for your personal website, it may be company website, anything, anybody it may be, they have to renewal for sure. Okay. When you are renewing, then only that will be available. If you are not renewing, what will happen? Then automatically some other team will be there. Personally, some other team outside will be there. Those person, what they'll do, the expires domain, they'll make a list of expires domain and they'll resell the domains for more amount. For more amount, I'll show how it will be. Okay. Now this for 1 year I'm checking, and this I don't want. I don't want any extra thing. I want only domain. Okay. Now how much is telling? What is the price?
It
992 for 1 year. Okay, he said 2 years. Now I'll be taking for 2 years. Now what should be the actual price according to GoDaddy?
199.
199. But what is happening here? 1466. Now see, that's why any product that may be, they'll show price and they'll show star mark in the bottom or somewhere else. Now we have to identify, take a by taking a borrow close or something. So we have to analyze what is the product he's telling in the starting and what we are billing in the end. So here, see, for Mohan 123 for 1 year registration, now he is giving some percentage off also. Now how much it is getting? 992. Okay. Now if I check out, now again I have to sign up here, then I have to buy. Okay, now that is a process. Now I'll go to the domain sooner. The same product I have added into the cart and already I'm continue with this cart. So here also is yelling the same thing. Privacy protection. I don't want privacy protection. I want a normal thing. So continue to cart. If you have any doubts in between, you can ask, you can raise.
Yes, sir.
So here I am going with 1 year. Now what is the price here? What is the price here? For 1 year in domain sooner, how much you are getting the same domain?
842.
843. Okay. Now, what is the comparison between GoDaddy and this domain sooner?
At last, they are increasing the amount.
Yeah. Now, what is the comparison between domain sooner and GoDaddy? How much difference we are getting in the
So,
price? Here 993, 993, and here 842. It is more than 100 rupees.
Nearly 150, yes.
Yeah, that means you are saving 150 rupees on the domain. Now calculate for 1 year. Now for 1 year you are saying 150 rupees. For 10 years, if you have 10 domains, then the amount will be more. So we have to analyze where the cost is less and we have to buy. Now I am going to buy a product in domain sooner so that we can see the live setup of a website. Okay. Now I have a login credential already. I'm the user of domain sooner. Okay. So I'll buy a domain and hosting and will design a site here. Okay. We have seen only domain. We'll see hosting also. After seeing hosting, we'll go. Now there is a security for this one now. Why? Because I'll be online every time. I have to be secure. Now you can also do. You can also register. You can also take a domain, and you can also do the same thing. Actually, I don't want this domain. I'll book other domain. Okay. Now how to book a domain? Now I'm going to the main home section. Now when you click on the logo, you'll go to the main home section. Okay. Now we have seen domain. We'll go to hosting and we'll buy a domain and hosting. Okay. Anybody have any doubt in domains?
no, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll go to hosting now. Now see, for example, mm, do you know pen drive?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what we will do with the pen drive? What we'll do? What is the use of pen drive?
Store the data, transfer data from one.
Yeah. That is for store the data. Okay.
Yes.
Now you also have your mobile. Your mobile will have some space,
Yes.
16 GB, 64 GB, or something. You will have a space. Okay. Think that in your mobile you're not having space. Okay, you're not having space, and you're downloading a song from online. Okay, will it be downloaded?
No.
Fine. If the space is available, if you are downloading, then you can listen the song. Okay. Now hosting also the same thing. If you have the hosting, then you can show domain on that hosting so that it can be shown to people on the internet. Okay, now I have taken domain, but it will not be directly visible to people. I have to have a hosting. Then only what is the connection? I'll connect this hosting and domain and hosting and I'll show to the people. Okay, clear?
Okay, it's clear.
Yeah. So I'm going with hosting now. Here I have different kinds of hosting now. cPanel, Plesk, WordPress, Business, VPS, dedicated servers, lots of things are there. Okay, lots of things are there. Now see, for example, we'll go with the bottom section. We'll come from the bottom section. Now we have dedicated servers and VPS. VPS is nothing but virtual space servers. Okay, virtual space servers. Dedicated servers and VPS are the dedicated servers and VPS are the same. Now, who will use this kind of servers? Big companies. Big companies like Amazon, Flipkart, this type of companies, they'll use servers, this kind of servers. Why? For example, now you visited Amazon. Amazon is taking time to load on the internet. What you will do? The next step, what you will do? Simply you'll go to next another e-commerce website. Why you are going to another e-commerce website? Because this site is slow. Why this site will be slow? Your hosting is slow. Okay, so that's why Big companies, they'll take a dedicated servers. That means complete server will be available from them only. No partitions in it. The complete server will be hold for them. Okay. Do you know hard disk? In our laptops, we'll have a hard disk. Hello?
Yes, we have that.
Yeah, yeah. Now, for small companies, we can call that hard disk also a hosting space, a secure server space. Okay. So here, now dedicated servers and VPS, big companies, they'll use this kind of hosting spaces. Now they'll be huge in cost. They'll be huge in cost. And this business, this is also same. Now WordPress, if you want only WordPress related thing, that means you don't have any file access. For example, if you have dedicated servers, VPS or business or Plus or cPanel, you can access internal part of the this hosting section. If you have WordPress, you can't access the internal files. Okay, so maximum people, they'll not take WordPress directly. And Plusk is nothing but Windows related. Okay, Windows related. Just like, for example, now in Hyderabad, I have a branch. Okay, in Mumbai, I have a branch again. In Tamil Nadu, I have a branch again. Now, if I want to share my files, if I want to manage the system in Mumbai, if I want to manage the system in the Tamil Nadu, then I have to have a Plusk. This is one kind of hosting. That means I'll be sharing my files with different servers in different areas. Okay, here I have cPanel. cPanel is nothing but a control panel, and this is the best section where you can take cPanel. Now, when you go to cPanel, and this is very reasonable when compared to all of them, very reasonable. Now here we'll have different kinds of hosting spaces here. We have starter plan, we have economy, and we have deluxe, we have ultimate. Now by seeing this, you'll be confusing. For example, when you went to hotel, you'll have a normal room, you'll have a AC room. Okay. Now normal room will have a one price, AC room will have a different price. We can analyze in that way. Okay. Now here, when you go to starter also, think that now I'm buying a domain called mohanviramala.com. Okay. Now I want to host that domain. Then I have to buy a hosting. Okay. Then I have to buy a hosting. Then simply I'll come here and I'll take this domain. Why? I have only one domain. Then I can host one domain in this hosting. Okay. Here he is giving only one website, that means one domain to put in it, and he is giving 30 GB data. 30 GB data. Okay. And here the next is having economy. Here also is giving only for one website, but the space, how much space is giving? 100 GB. And the most beautiful part is giving email accounts. Is giving, yeah. Any doubt? Okay. So here he is giving email accounts. That means now I can create an email on the domain name. For example, now I want to create an email on DMM Academy. Then what I will do? Mohan@dmmacademy.in. That will be my email ID. Okay. That means if you are taking economy, is giving an option to create emails also. If I scroll down, I'll be having deluxe and ultimate. Here, what is telling? Unlimited websites. That means, see, the previous sections, starter and economy, we can host only one domain, I said. But with deluxe and ultimate, I can host n number of domains. That means if I have only one deluxe plan, then I can host 10, 20, 30 domains. Whichever domains I want, I can host in only one single hosting. Why I'm telling this? Because people will not have idea what they'll do. First, they'll book a domain. After that, they'll book a starter. This plan. Now, for domain, what is the price for the complete year? around 890 or something we have, or 740 we have, 740 743 we have that price. Now this hosting plan is giving for 1 month. That means we have to calculate for year. Now how much it will be for year? 129 into 12, 129 into 12, that will be around 1548 rupees, 1548 rupees. That means if we combine the both section, domain and hosting, it will be around 2000, 2300 or 400 something. Now that will be the price for complete year. Now think that you have taken some other domain, then again you will be coming here, again you will be taking. That means you are putting more money for same hosting every time. Think that you have a deluxe hosting, then simply you will be buying only for one time and you can host n number of domains. Now when this will be useful? When you have more domains. When you have more domain names, then these plans will be useful. If you have only one domain, then directly go with the starter plan. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what I will do, I'll buy a domain and I'll buy a hosting. Okay. So whatever we are doing, you have to do technically. Then only you'll get the subject. Okay. Then only you'll get the certification also. Seriously. Why? Because without technical part, we are not going to give certificate. Okay, that is for sure. Now I'm going here. I'll buy a domain. If you have any doubts in the future also, you can check the video, you can see the video, and you can practice the same thing. We'll be sending a link to you, the recorded session. Okay, I'm buying on my name mohanviramalla.com. Still till now I don't have a domain name on my name, so I'm buying now. Fine. What I'm doing, www.mohanviramalla.com. This one I'm searching. I have to see whether this name is available or not. Yes, this is available. Yeah. What I'm doing, I'm adding it to cart. One domain added. Yeah. Now I'll go with hosting. So now I have only one domain. What I should do? Which plan I should go?
cPanel.
cPanel starter plan. That will be better for me.
Yes.
Okay. In future, if I have more domains, then I'll shift to deluxe or something. Okay. Deluxe or ultimate, anything, depends upon the things. Now here is asking for 1 month, 12 months. Now I'll go with 12 months. Why? Because domain will be for 1 year, hosting will also be for 1 year. Now the both will get only on one date renewal. The simply I'll renewal. Okay, fine. Now this is the plan. Now any backup? No, we don't want backup. See, they are charging for backup also. We don't want backup. See, when you learn WordPress, you can learn how to make a backup also. So don't take any backup thing. Save money. Okay, this is the SSL certificate I said already previously. If you are taking this, you can make your website secure. If you are having any online payments, then try to take. If not, not required. What will happen if you take SSL? Simply, for example, if somebody is giving a card details in your website, then what will happen? Card will have numbers. Their card will have numbers. Now each number will be deprecated and it will be converted into 10 to 20 pages. Each number. Around will how many letters will have? 4 for 8. Around 16 to 18 letters, 18 numbers we have on a card. Now each letter will be differentiated, deprecated into 20 pages or 30 pages. We don't know, but it will go more. Now for hackers, it will become tough. Okay, for hackers, it will become tough. Okay, so here I'm clicking on continue. So what I have taken now, I have taken a domain and I have taken a hosting. So domain name, I want it for 1 year. Okay, I want it for 1 year. We are not going for 2 years. I'm going for 1 year. See, now you can analyze the price here. I'm getting for 608 only. Why? I'm a regular user of this website, so they'll be giving offer. Okay. So, and an average, how much I'm costing? 1808. This will not be same for you. This may go to 2300 or 400. Why? Because I'm a regular user for this website. They are giving an offer for me. Okay. If you are a regular user, simply you will get an offer for sure. So here I'm checking to cart. So I have to give a card details here. Card, which card will go? We'll go with debit card. Yeah. Only approved orders we have. Fine. Debit card. I have to check whether. We'll take your payment procedure to complete first. Okay. So here, complete purchase. So here is asking again for the details. Okay. Debit card I'm going. Debit card I'll use. What is my debit card? Yes. And I'll go with my number. If you have any doubt how to buy this one, we'll be sending a video link. No issue. Okay. Anyone have any doubts on this? Am I going fast or slow, or is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. I don't want to say make a payment. Okay. How much I am paying? 1,808. Yeah. Now this will not be the same price for you. Why? Because I'm a regular user. Okay. Yes. Thank you for your order. Fine. Now I have taken a domain and hosting. Now where to see that one? Now when you now this is the dashboard of this particular website, the domain sooner thing. Now here in the right hand side I can see an icon, a person icon. Simply click here and search for my products. Okay, search for my products. Now here I can see I have one domain previously and this is a new one I have taken. Okay, now this is a domain name I have taken just now. When I go with hostings, refresh. Site.
Screen में व्यवस्थित
Where is my hosting? Not showing. It is showing domains here. All products and services. Yeah, here you can see hosting here. Now it is taking some time. After refreshing, I can see this domain and hosting. This is the domain I have taken just now, and this is the hosting I have taken. Up to here, any doubts for anyone? You can ask question for me. If you don't have any questions, then I'll continue. No doubt. Fine. Gunasri, no doubt. Fine. Okay. Fine. Now what I'm doing is, now see what I said. Now you see, for example, now I'll go to Google. I'll search for my name, which I have taken a domain just now. Okay. Now this is a domain I have taken. Okay. When I search on this domain, what it is showing? Oh, just a minute. A spelling mistake is there. Mm, When I search for it, what is happening? Simply it is coming to domain sooner. That means this domain belongs to this website, or I have taken a domain from this product or this service provider. They're telling in that way. So now what I will do, I'll click this setup where I'm clicking in the hosting part. Okay. In the hosting section, starter Linux hosting with cPanel. I have taken a starter plan. Now what I'm doing here, I'm clicking on setup. Now when I click on setup, it will ask me some details like for which domain you want to connect. Okay, for which domain you want to connect, they'll ask. Now here, see, I have already a domain. I have already a domain. What they are doing here, they're asking for which domain you want to connect this hosting. Now simply what I will do, I'll select a domain which I want. Okay, which I want. Now I'm selecting this. That means I want to connect this hosting to this domain. Is it clear? Next,
Yes, sir.
here choose a data center. Now we are from India. Now I'll choose Asia. Okay, I'll choose Asia. Now he's asking, you do we want to create a WordPress website? No, I'll create for my own. I don't want help from your service providers. I'll create my own. Why? Because see, when they'll give, we don't know what kind of themes they'll give, what kind of things they'll do. If I will do my website own, then I can select the type of design I want. Whatever my wish is there, whatever my thing or whatever my thoughts are there, I can implement on my website. No, I'll not go with you. I'll design my own website. No, not now. Thanks. Now what is happening? A process will going on. Now this will take some time. Okay, this will take some time. After some time, your domain and hosting will be connected. Okay, your domain and hosting will be connected, and it will be showing online. When you search for your website name, you'll get some other section. Not it will not redirect to the domain sooner again. Why? We have connected domain and hosting. Up to here, any doubts? Still is getting connected. We'll clear the doubts. Any section, don't hesitate to ask any doubt. I'm here to clear everything. Still it is taking time. We have to wait and we have to see. So what all we have seen? What is the website we have seen? What is the domain name we have seen? Types of domains we have seen. Domain name suggestions we have seen. How to register a domain name also we have seen. Web hosting concepts, types of hostings we have seen, types of websites also we have seen, static and dynamic websites. Yeah, up to there we have done, and we have by domain and hosting also. So after the class, what you have to do, you have to implement technically. That means you have to take a domain, you have to take a hosting, and you have to implement the same concept what we learn is 1 week. Then only you will be in the touch of the subject. If not, this will be evaporated directly. Whenever you practice, then only you'll get this subject. If not, for sure you'll not get this subject. This is for your sake only. You're buying, so buy a domain on your name, whatever name you have. Ilya Deek, we have lots of people here. Ilya Deek, we have Rangu Gunasri, we have on your name. Take a domain, practice. Okay, practice. You have 1 year time on it. It's taking too time to connect.
Sir,
Yeah,
if we need to create more than one website, whether we need to host more than one, sir?
that is what I'm telling. If you want to have more domains, then go with some other plan, not starter. Go with Deluxe or Ultimate. If you take that one, what will happen? You can host n number of websites in the same hosting.
Okay, sir.
Domains you have to buy.
Okay, sir. Domains we can select different, but only one hosting is enough. You are
Only
saying.
one hosting is enough. If you are taking Deluxe or hosting,
Okay, sir.
Deluxe or Ultimate, anything is okay.
Okay,
Try
sir.
to go with Deluxe only. That is also very, very good.
Okay, sir.
Provisioning your account. Still not connected. So all of you, which part you are from? You're all from India, but where are you from? All of you.
Sir, I'm from Tamil Nadu.
Okay. Andhra Pradesh. Okay. For one website, one hosting. Yeah. For one website, then you can go with starter. Ilya Deek. Yeah. I think it's got sign out. I have to. I want this domain to be connected. Next. Asia. No, thanks. All of you from coding background or what? What is your streams?
Sir, I'm started that HTML, CSS now only, sir. This
Okay.
lockdown period started studying.
Okay. How do you feel?
Um,
Is it easy?
yeah, yes, sir.
Can
I'm
you?
in IT field, second year, so no problem.
Okay. Can you design a website on HTML?
No, sir.
If
Just
I give a
trying.
if I give a project, can you design a website in HTML?
With HTML, I can do.
HTML you can do.
Yes, sir.
In
With
how many
some
days you will
CSS
do?
also.
CSS?
Some little CSS also I can add.
Okay. In how many days you will design a website?
Whether if it is 1 or 2 pages, we can design in 1 day.
Now I want this kind of website, which I am showing on the screen. I want this kind of website. How much days you will take to design a website?
Like this.
What kind of
Sir,
website is it?
I e-commerce.
Yeah, it is an e-commerce website.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
Now by
till now,
using
I didn't
HTML,
try like these websites, sir.
okay, no issue. Still it is in process. Okay. So before that connected, I think it is taking some time. We'll discuss some other topic. Okay. Until that this will get completed. So why I asked you, because see, here we'll be designing a website on WordPress. Okay. We'll not use any HTML coding, any CSS coding. We'll not touch any coding part. Without touching any coding part, we'll design a website. That is our main agenda. That's why we are here. Okay. So why? Because we don't know how many are you are related to coding, how many are you not related to coding. We don't. But each one has to able to create a website without any coding part. That is our main agenda. That is our DMM Academy agenda. So that's why we released this course. Okay. So see, lots of people will be having doubt. See, okay, you said that we'll be creating a website. Now, when you go to this module here, we are discussing like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now these are related to coding section. These are related to coding section. That means, see, whichever website you go. For example, now I'm on this website. This website name is dealsmania.com. Now when I click on Control U, I can see the coding part of this website. Okay, I can see coding part of this website. That means I can see HTML. Here you can see HTML thing. What kind of coding language it is
Yes,
dependent to
sir.
HTML. Okay, now after that I can see some PHP. Okay, after that if I scroll down, I can see lots of other coding section. For example, if I scroll down, we'll see what all coding here. I can see CSS. Okay, or where is JavaScript? JavaScript will also be available. JS. I click on Control A, I can add. See, these are the JavaScript related. Now these all things will be available in the website. Okay, these all things will be available in the website. If you are not designing with HTML also, if you are designing WordPress also, this section will be available. Why I'm telling this? Because whatever the website you are seeing now, this is designed in WordPress. Okay, this is designed in WordPress. That means now I didn't write any coding part. This all thing I didn't did. Now system automatically it will do. What I did, I managed things here. How to manage, how to do that we are going to learn. See, if you are able to build an e-commerce site, what I said, you can take 30,000 rupees without any hesitation from a client. Getting, and that is the best offer you are giving. And you know this website is also designed in WordPress. Okay, I'll show you one of my students' website. Now she's related to paintings. Okay, now she's selling her paintings online. Simply what she'll do, she'll design the painting, she'll take the photos of that one. Simply, she'll list into her website. Now this is her website. When I go to this painting related things, now I can check her products. Analyzing. Now this is also designed in WordPress. So if you are really perfect with WordPress, then you can design a site in 1 hour. In 1 hour only. If you are really good with WordPress, that means you have to practice. When you practice only, you'll get. If not, you'll not get.
Whether it is e-commerce website also, we can design it in 1 hour, sir.
1 hour. See what things will be available in e-commerce. The main home page,
Yes.
next category page, next product page. That's it. Only 3 pages you have. When you insert product, then it will show more products. The designing part is the home page,
Yes.
this category page, and the product page, the each product page. That means that's it. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Only 3 pages we have. Now when people see, they'll be confused. Yes, this many products they have, how much time it will take to design. Now people, there are the normal people. They don't know what is coding, what is website. Now we know what is the thing. Got an idea?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Think there is a connection issue or something. What is happening? I don't know. So see, now in this world, every product is created by seeing something else. For example, uh, we have helicopter. Now helicopter is designed by some other like some other creature seeing some other creature or something. Do you accept it?
Yes, sir.
Any product, that may be any product, that will be like, now light is there. Okay, bulb. Now that bulb is created by seeing something else. We have small like insects which will
Yes.
fly, that will have lights. Now by seeing that one, somebody got some ideas, they created something. So each thing will have some like some focus. After seeing that one only, they'll create. Now this website also the same thing. This website also the same thing. Now how is that possible? Yes, that is possible. We'll see. Now human, we are humans.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we have? Head.
Yes.
Okay, we have body. Okay, we have foots. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now we'll see for website. For website also, if we talk in the technical terms, then website is designed in HTML. Okay, okay, HTML. Now, how the HTML language will be in this way? How it will look in this way? How to identify HTML language? Simply in the square greater than symbols in between, it will have HTML. Now, whenever see, we are not learn coding. Just we are analyzing how code is looking. Okay, so here, whenever HTML is open, HTML is closed. Just we are analyzing. As a digital marketer, you have to have an idea. That's it. We are not designing anything. So here, anything in HTML, it should open and it should close. How it should close? By /. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we have seen in human will have head, body, and foot. Okay. Now in the HTML, for a website also, for a website, we will have head. What is head? Where we can see head of the website? Any idea? Anyone
The
who can
the tab
explain?
at the top.
Yeah. Now this section we call as head. Okay, now what our head will do, a human head, what it will do, it will think. Okay, it will analyze things. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Getting? Now the same thing, now this head will, any website, the top thing, the top menu and this logo, this we can analyze as head. Now we call it as header. Now human is having head, now website will have header. Okay, that means we can think. Now when I click on contact, now it will also think and it will redirect to contact page. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now see, we have brain, we have something inside, now that will think. Now here what we have in head section, how it is going on, we have CSS files, we have JavaScript files, we have PHP files. Now these files will do work and it will go to the particular section which you are clicking. Got an idea?
Yes, sir. But
Everyone. Now I think only one person is talking, that is Ilyadik. Is it? I'm clear? Ilyadik? I think Ilyadik is answering every time, or who is answering?
yes, sir. Elia Dehi.
Yeah. What about others? Is it clear? Yeah, Rangu Gunakti, after buying a domain, you can't change the domain name. You can't change the domain name. So before buying only, make sure that you are okay with that. Even a single letter, if you're going wrong, you can't change it. You wasted the money on that. So before buying only, make sure 1 to 2 times that you are doing the same thing. Yeah. So what we are discussing. So now in the HTML, we have discussed only head. Okay, that is head part. Now for human, we have what? Body. Here also we'll have body. Now the same body will show in the same format. Now see, body will have different parts. The body will have different parts. That means we can design our website body in whichever way I want, or whichever way we want. That means left side image, right side content, or top two images between some content, again bottom two images. Whichever design you want, you can design in the body. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now human will have foot. Then here we call it as footer. Okay, we call it as footer. Now footer open, footer close. Now that means, see, in between these two, what we'll have. So here for this website, what is the footer? Now this is the footer. From here, this blue link to this bottom complete thing is footer for my website. That means now I'm in which page? I'm in contact us page. In contact us page, my header, I can see my header, I can see my footer, okay, and I can see my body. Now tell me, if I'm going to home page, what is changing? You have to tell. What is changing? Header is changing. Do I have the same header when I'm in the contact us page?
Changed, sir.
Header.
No, no. That menu page, that part not changed. Didn't change.
And what about this? Right. When I go to footer, now what about this footer? Is footer is getting changed? This one, is it getting changed?
No, sir.
No. That means now you can analyze. That means if you first design header, then design footer. That means out of 100% of your work, 70% work will be done. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So whenever you are designing a website, first design the header part completely, then go to footer section, design the footer part completely, then 70% of your work is done. Now the middle work, what is happening in the middle work? Your client or yourself, if you're designing for yourself or if you're designing for your client, he'll be having different sections. For example, they'll do changes lots of times. Why? Because see, for example, think that I'm your client, you are designing my website. Now you designed everything. Now after some time, what I did, okay, I don't want this design in the middle part. I want to change these images from left to right, right to left, bottom to top, top to bottom. Then what you'll do, you have to design it again. So make sure that you ensure everything with the client. Then only you have to do. How to ensure this? For that, we call technically, we call it as wireframe. Okay, wireframe. Did anybody heard this name or heard this word anytime?
No, sir. First time.
Yeah. Now, what does that mean? See, we are staying in houses.
Yes.
Our house will have one hall, one kitchen, one bedroom. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Only Ilya Dik is responding. What about others? Will not respond. You have taken tiffin in the mornings. You have to respond. You have to interactive. Then only our session will go nice. If not, it will be hectic. You have to respond. It either in messages or either in voice. Whichever way you want to convey, you can convey. People don't want to talk. Okay. So see, before constructing house, we'll have a land. Okay, we'll have a land. On that land, we'll be constructing house. Now, before constructing house, what we'll do, we'll go to engineer. We'll design a plan. Sir, please give me a plan so that I can construct house. Okay. Now, what is that? Now, that is a blueprint.
Yes, blueprint.
That is a blueprint. Now, here also, first we'll design wireframe for a website. If you want to see wireframe, simply go to Google. We have Google. Search here for wireframe. Now you can see different kind of wireframe. Wireframes is nothing but the pattern of the website, the design of the website, how the client want to do. So that design, if you are getting ready, then simply what will happen, your design will get complete easily. Okay, it will not take much time. See, if I'm going with this thing, now this wireframe, now I can see in desktop this will look like this, in mobile this will look like this, in tab this will be looking like this. If you design this kind of wireframe to your client, then the work will go easy. If not, what will happen, now every time he'll do some changes, he wants some changes and we will be changing every time. So first make sure whatever he want and create a wireframe. Yes, you want this section on this place, this section on this place, you have content on right hand side, you want image on left hand side, you want a video in the middle, whichever thing he want, first create a wireframe for that. If you are not able to do in the soft copy, take a paper and pen, write or draw it, make a wireframe ready, then keep it in the side and start design the website. Now it will get completed easily. If not, what will happen, simply it will take more time to design. Got an idea?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Is this helpful?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rangu Gunasri, I think you said no. Why? Is this no for this one or the previous one, which I think Rangu Gunasri is not here. She's not live, I think so. Okay, okay, fine. For previous, we can't access your account. Why? If this issue continues, you have to support. Okay. First, I have to check. There is some technical issue. I have to check either logged out or what. So got an idea how what is the header, what is the footer, what is the body, all section.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the wireframe? Now,
Yes.
whenever you go to any client, anyone, then you have to analyze everything. Everything in the sense the color of the website, okay, and
Okay.
how many pages they want to create, and what kind of design they want. Simply, you have to ask a reference website. That will be easy. For example, now I came to you, I'm a client, I came to you, I want to design a website. Now I'll be, if I'm telling okay, if not, you should ask. Okay, sir, you want a website to design? Fine. So give me any reference website so that I can analyze what kind of website you want. Then if I'm telling Amazon, then you will be analyzing. Yes, you want this kind of website. Now that is an e-commerce website. This have this much design, this much particular things. Okay, according to that you can price. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Setup domain name. Next, yeah, I'll do it. There may be a technical issue. Fine, no problem. It's already 12:30. Yeah. If this is connecting, okay. If not, I'll make this connected today. We'll design tomorrow. Until that, we'll go to some other topic. We'll analyze some other topic. We'll
Okay,
not
sir.
waste the time. Only we have 7 days. Each day, 2 hours.
Yes.
Here. So, what do you think? What is a WordPress? Now we have seen up to here. Up to here, we have seen. Anyone
Yes,
have
sir.
any doubts up to here?
No doubt.
Is it clear for everyone? Don't use your mobiles. Try to use in laptops only. Why? Because in mobiles your screen will be very small. You can't analyze things what I'm doing. So go with laptops or desktops only. That will be better. That is my good main suggestion. Okay. Fine. So we'll check whether it is happening or not. Fine. So next, what we are going to discuss, what is WordPress. Anybody have any idea about WordPress? Anyone in the group? They can answer. Any idea that may be right or wrong? No issue. Just go on.
Sir, there will be some frameworks, so we can drag and drop there. By that, we can build something like website.
Yeah, obviously. You can do drag and drop. At the same time, you have to be like, for example, think that you want to create a contact page in your website. That means somebody is filling a contact page and you want to get the details. Then for that kind of things, drag and drop will not work. You have to have some knowledge on that. Then only you can do. For example, if I want a slider in my website, image to be sliding from left to right or right to left, anything, any way you want, then drag and drop will not work. So maximum you'll be using drag and drop, but the things inside it will have some different sections also. Everything is included here. And see, uh, for example, uh, how many of you know themes? What is a theme? Anyone have any idea about theme?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Okay. How many of you went for marriages? Your relative marriages, your friends marriages? How many of you went? I think everybody will be going to marriages.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when you go for marriages, you'll be seeing a decoration.
Yes.
Now, different kind of decorations will be there. Now, directly they'll not decorate. The person who is taking the order, he'll show designs. Now we have this kind of design, whatever design you want, we'll be putting that. Okay, that is design for him. Now, yeah, good. Who is that? Guru Vinita Devi Maratala. Yeah, good, good, Vinita. Now, see, that means we want a theme which is related to a company. For example, think that I am related to a bakery. Now I want to build a website. Then I'll go to a theme related to bakery. If I'm related to a software company, if I'm designing a website for software company, and I'll go with a theme called software related thing. If I'm related to yoga, then I'll go with a yoga theme. If I'm a gym coach, or then I'll go with a gym related thing. If I'm a doctor, then I'll go with a doctor thing. If I'm a good artist, then I'll go with a good artist thing. If I'm a individual person, I'm a speaker or something, then I'll go with that kind of thing. So each and everything you'll get themes. Lots of themes you'll have paid themes, you'll have free themes, both the sections you'll have. Okay, in WordPress. Now WordPress will be easy to manage. If a person is designing a normal website with 5 pages in 1 week or 1 day, now a WordPress person can design that page in 1 hour. Not at all 1 hour, in half an hour if he's too much good. Half an hour max. Getting? Hello?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I said if you design a website, you'll be getting 8,000. Think that you are doing a job anywhere. Okay, you are doing a job anywhere. For 30 days, after 30 days, you'll be getting a salary. How much you'll be expecting a salary? Not on this website designing thing. Think that you are doing work on some other process or some other thing. How much you'll expect salary on a month? Anyone from the group?
25 to 30,000.
25 to 30,000. Good. Now, okay. If you have experience, then only they'll give 25 to 30,000. If you are a fresher, how much they'll give?
15 as a
15.
fish.
Okay. Now think that now you learned website design and you are designing 3 websites in a month. How much you will get? Each website 8,000. That is very, very low. How much you will get? 8 into 3, 24.
Yes.
Now, how much time you will work? If you are good, I said you can design in 1 hour also, I said. That means 3 hours,
Yeah.
24,000. Who will give you 3 hours, 24,000 rupees? No one will
No.
give.
Yes.
After working for 30 days, you'll be getting 30,000. Think that 60,000. You are getting 60,000 per month. If you are designing 10 websites in a month, then obviously it is 80,000.
80,000.
So learn. So we'll see whether it is connected or not. I don't know. I have to check with this. They are giving some support here. I have to check with this person. Okay. So tomorrow I'll show how it will be. But today we'll see the inside part of the WordPress. We have time up to 1. Okay. 1 o'clock I'll be closing the session.
Okay.
Before that, we'll see some more things. Tomorrow I'll show how to connect and everything.
Okay.
So see, what is WordPress? WordPress is nothing but a CMS software. That means content management software. Just will manage the content in it. Okay. Now it is easy to use. It is flexible. Okay. That means a non-coder can also design a e-commerce website directly if he have an idea. Then what is the benefits of WordPress? Now, if you are a WordPress designer, then no coder required. For example, think that now Ilyadik is a coder, is a HTML related person, is a front end person. Now he can design only front end part. He can't design a back end part. What is a backend? For example, in a
Data.
website slider is there, in a website slider is there, he can't do that sliding part. Or a contact form is there, he can't make that contact form. Or if he want to connect with some other section like e-commerce thing, okay, he can't do. He's a front end person. Back end person will be different if you are in coding. If you learn WordPress, then no required of back end person. Everything you can manage. Even that maybe e-commerce website also you can manage. That means a single person can manage everything. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This one, this 11th one, we'll see tomorrow. I'm getting some problem with that domain and hosting. I have to check with the service provider. We'll see tomorrow. But today we'll analyze this. Up to
Okay,
one
sir.
o'clock, we'll analyze this. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, what I'll do, mm, I'll go to this website. Okay, I'll use this website. That will be better. Now what I'm doing is after this domain and hosting is getting connected, we can go to like we can see the details of inside it. Now that details we are seeing, we are not installing. Why? Because there is an error while installing. We'll see. We'll try one more time if that is not getting. So after that getting connected the domain and hosting, we can see the internal part of this section and we can install WordPress. Okay, how to see, how to analyze that thing, I'll show. Wait. So after installing, we'll see the process. We'll see WordPress directly. Tomorrow we'll see the installation process and everything. Now after getting installation, now this will be the URL of your website. Whatever website you will have, after that slash wp-admin. Okay, what is
Okay.
this? This is the login details. Now when you click on this one, you will go to the panel, user panel, login panel. Okay, here now your website will be secured. You can log in yourself. Nobody can log in. Why? Because username password will be for you only, for yourself only. Okay, now I'm in login section. Now that means I'm the backend now. I'm in the backend of the DMM Academy website. Everyone is getting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now see, now whatever you're seeing on the screen, now this is called a dashboard. Okay, this is called a dashboard. See, every software will have a dashboard. Now WordPress is having a dashboard. If that website is not in WordPress also, that website will also have a backend. Now that backend is also called a dashboard. Okay, any software, any software, if you are opening a Gmail, now that Gmail is also called a dashboard. Whatever you're seeing on the front end, that is called a dashboard. Simple thing. Okay, so now in the left hand side you can see lots of properties. When you are installing for the first time, you can't see this many properties. Okay, this, I made lots of things inside it. That means I added lots of things inside this dashboard, so that's why it's a big list. If you are doing for the first time, then you can see a limited things here. You can see only limited things here.
Okay.
This is not getting connected. Okay, so now when and I'm in dashboard and I can open my website simultaneously, no issue. Getting, I can open my website simultaneously. Both the way I can do. Or if I want to open dashboard here also, I can simply open my dashboard directly from here. That means at a time I can work with two pages simultaneously. Two ways I can do. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now again, if I want to go to website, simply view site or visit site. Simply I'm on the site. Okay, the top screen whatever you are seeing, now that means only the person, the login person only can see this one. Okay, a normal user can't see this strip. Why? I'm in login. people will be having doubt. Yes, sir. In the top you are seeing some black strip. No user can also see that black strip. No, the person who got logged in, he only can see this black strip. Why? He is the admin. A normal client or normal person who is browsing outside, he can't see this strip.
Okay.
Now when I'm okay, fine. Now there's a dashboard here. So I want to go to this page. So here, see the dashboard. We have first home. That means home of the dashboard. That's it. And here we have updates. That means see we have. I said already. I have taken lots of things inside to make it done. Why? Because see, for example, now example of take this page only. Now in this page, I have an image. I have two videos. Okay. I have a contact form in the left hand side and the content in the right hand side. Okay. I have some headings and some reviews here. Okay, to make this done, or see in the downside I have some social media. To make this all done, I have to take some external things from the WordPress. Okay, directly we will not get everything here. We have to add everything in the dashboard. Okay, so before doing or before designing, what we will do, just we'll analyze the left hand side, whichever things we have in the left hand side, we'll analyze them. Okay, so here I have updates. That means whatever things I have taken, now each thing is a software. For example, I have taken a mobile. Now for this mobile, I'll be getting updates. Do you get updates for your mobile?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now that means now that company person is asking to update your software. That's it. Now
Yes.
here also WordPress will ask updates. That means whenever they'll get a new update of software, simply they'll give a notification here. Okay, so that you'll get the better design or better coding part. Okay, why I'm telling this, because see previously when we talk about this softwares, we know Windows XP, windows Vista, Windows 7. After that we got Windows 8, we got Windows 10 now. So these are versions. Now in this WordPress also will have versions. So whenever we'll get an update, they'll give a notification here. That is a simple thing. And here the next thing we can see a post. Everybody can see this post.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In general terms, tell me what is a post. Post, letter related thing. Now that we call a post.
Yes.
Okay. Now see, for example, one postman came to your home. Nobody is like your door is closed. What he will do? He'll take that letter and he'll drop in the box and he'll go.
Yes.
Okay. Now that box is called category. Okay, I'm giving an example of that one. Okay, now that box is called a category. That means now we'll create a category for a website. In a website, what we'll do, we'll create a category. Now in that category, what we'll do, we'll post everything. Whatever we want, we can post. That means, see, generally what we'll call this name blog. Did anytime anybody recognized a name called blog in a website? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
For example, I think there's an e-commerce website. She don't have blog. Okay. Uh, Now this is one of my students' website. I'll check whether they have a blog or not. Yes. Now here you can see a blog. Okay. Now what is this? What I said, blog is nothing but a box. Now in that box you can post a number of posts. Okay. Now we learned the types of websites, static and dynamic. Did you remember that?
Yes,
Static
sir.
nothing but a small site I said, dynamic is nothing but a big site I said. Okay. Now think that in this website she is not having blog. Think that she is not having blog. Then automatically this site will be called as static site. Why? She can't update content regularly. If she have a blog, then what will happen in a day, in a month, in a week, or in an hour? They she can update regular post. She can create a post and she can add into the website. She can create a post and she can add into the website. Okay. When she creates, see for example, think that in a day she is creating one post. That means in a week, how many posts will be? How many posts will be in a week? Daily one post,
7.
seven. In a year, 365.
35.
That means 365 posts are available on her page or on her website. That means that much big the website will be. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
we'll see technically also. Just we are analyzing things now. In the for our classes, we'll design everything. Okay. Next thing we have. Do I'm getting bored?
No, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay. No problem.
Yeah. Now here, see, I have a section called media. Okay. Now that means whatever images, whatever audio files, whatever video files I'll add, I can see from this end. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here I have pages. See here I have post, I have pages. Now post is different, page is different. Why I'm telling this? Because see, now if I go to this website Digital Sakshi, now home is a page, about is a page, service is a page, contact us is a page. These are pages. Now this only section is related to post. That means when I click
Blog.
on it, when I click on it, I can see different posts available in it. If she is having any post, we can see. Yeah, here I can see. Now this is one post. Now when she did August 24th, 2020. Recently she did a post. Now when I click on this, now I'll go to that post separately. I can check that post separately. Now she is having an image, she's having a content, everything. Now here I can give a comment. Now this is only for post. That means if you are having a post you can comment, but pages, do we have comment section for pages? No, we'll not have any comment section for pages. For post related things only we'll have a comment. Okay, now that is a difference. Now you can create a category from this post and you can create pages in this dashboard and you can convert the both things into menu. Got it?
Yes, sir.
How to convert we'll see in the next steps. But now we can analyze that, okay, we can create a category in the post and we can convert that one into the menu section, and I can create pages and I can convert that into the menu section. If you have any doubts in between, you can poke me.
Okay.
So here the next step we have comments. We have comments. Now that means now I just have shown you in the post we can do comments. I said the post I said we can do comments. I said that means if anybody do comments there, now from here I'll get a notification. Okay, we'll get a notification. Now
Okay.
your wish in WordPress or any backend software, if you want to show that comment in the website, then you'll be having like you're the admin, you will be having permissions from here. You can give permission to show on the website, or you, if you don't want that comment to show, just you can delete that comment. Okay, both the sections you have. And see, now this is a like plugin. We don't want to discuss plugins now. I said this, I have so many things extra. The basic things when you install WordPress, that we'll discuss, I said. Okay, now this is also a plugin. Now this is also a plugin. What are plugins, we'll discuss. And this is a basic thing. When you install WordPress, you'll get this appearance. Now what is appearance? The word, the meaning of the word appearance, anyone?
Presence.
Yeah, whatever. See, for example, I went to a party. Now people will be seeing my appearance, my look. Okay, now from here also I can see the look of the website. Okay, whatever I said, themes, different designs. Now that means I can select a design, I can edit the designs, I can do lots of things inside. For example, now I'm on this website. Okay, I'm on this website. Now I have this many sections. For example, if I go here, is she having any? Okay, for example, I'll go to this website, that will be easy. So here you can see in the right hand side a separate section is flowing out. Now these are all products in the left hand side, three products in a sheet, but in the right hand side you can see right hand column is different, separate. You can see the right hand side column.
Yes, sir.
Now, now if I want to design that right hand side column, if I want to show the products in the right hand side column, simply you have to go to widgets. Okay, you have to go to widgets and you have to add the properties. Where you have to add the main sidebar, you want to add, you can add. Okay, or if you want to add the properties in the footer, what is footer? Just we have seen in the starting sessions. Now this is this blue, from the starting blue line to the bottom, whichever thing is there. Now this is a footer, I said. Now that means if I want to add any sections in the footer, then where I have to go? I have to go to widgets and I have to add properties here. How to add? In the left hand side you can see these two columns here. These two columns you can add here. In the future classes we'll see how to add, how to do, but today just we are analyzing the things in the dashboard. Okay, so where is the themes option? In the appearance we have a theme option. How to select a theme? Simply go to themes. Now WordPress will give you different kind of themes. Now you can select whichever theme you want. Okay, whichever theme you want you can select. Or see, basically there, how many themes they are showing? How many themes? 8 themes they are showing, but I want more. Then simply click on add new. Then from here you can analyze. For example, I want a theme related to hospital. Okay, hospital related theme I want. Then when I search for hospital, how many themes they are giving? 97 themes they are giving which are related to hospital. Getting this many themes we have.
Yes, sir.
Now if an HTML person, if he wants to design this theme, how much time it will take? Anyone who is a coder, they can answer. How much time you will take if you want to design this kind of theme? Only for designing, just if I click on one click, I'll get this theme done. But if you are using a HTML language manually, if you're writing coding part, then how much time it will take to design?
Days.
How many days?
1 week, 2 week, maybe three
Depends.
week.
If more people are working, it will be get done. If not, it
Yes,
will take
yes,
time. Minimum 3 people should work.
yes,
Yeah, if you are learning WordPress, then you will be the single person doing everything. Okay,
yes, sir.
right. Now see here, I have a menu in the top. this menu. I said we can create category and we can convert into menu. We can create pages and we can convert into menu. I said, okay. Now after creating category, after creating pages, what we should do? We should go to menus here. In the appearance, we have a section called menus. We have to go here and we have to convert that options into menu. Okay, how to do in the future classes we'll see. No issue. And next thing, the main important thing here is plugins. Okay, this one, plugins. Can you see a symbol here? What is a symbol? A plug.
Plug.
That means that is an external thing. See, if I want to connect my like I want to charge my mobile, then I'll be connecting something. That is an external part. Now, if I want an external thing to my website, for example, in my website, what I have external thing, I have this social media section, this one. Okay, now I want to show this social media in my website. Then what I should do? I should take a plugin. I should take a plugin. I should go here. Okay, I should go here and I should search for a plugin. Whichever plugin. See, if you have an idea for the plugin, you can go directly with the name. If not, search whatever term you'll recognize. Search with that. For example, uh, think that now I want social media related to my website. Then simply search for social. Now I don't know the plugin names. Just I know the name of the thing which I want. Then I can see different kind of plugins here. Now these are all plugins. How many plugins I got? How many plugins I got here? What is the number here?
4426.
4426.
Now that many plugins I got on that single word. Okay.
Yes.
Now, okay, I got these many plugins. Now, how to select a plugin? That should also we have an idea. Okay, that is the main thing. Why? Because see, now think that you got apples, 10 apples in a box. Okay. Now, if one apple is like infected or it got fungus, now what will happen? What will happen? Think that one apple in the middle it got fungus or something. It is bad now. Now what will happen? The rest of the apples will also get something bad.
Yes.
Now everything is corrupted.
Yes.
So whenever we are installing plugin also, we have to make sure that plugin should have a tick mark. Here you can see a tick mark here,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
tick mark. First you have
Yes.
to analyze the plugin is having a tick mark or not. What will happen if you are, see, I can do install. Okay. Why I'm telling tick mark? Because see, if okay, so you can analyze this. It is not having any tick mark. Okay. Now, what will happen if I install this? That means what is telling untested with your version of WordPress. Now that means if I install this, this may not work for my website. It will corrupt my whole coding part, whole other plugins and everything. It will corrupt. So don't take the plugin which do not have a tick mark.
Okay.
Okay, that is the first rule when you take a plugin. And the second rule is, see here I can see lots of tick marks here. Every plugin is maximum plugins are having tick marks. Then which plugin to choose? Which plugin to choose? First, you have to analyze the plugin. More details you have to go. You have to check the plugin type. Okay, you have to check the plugin type, the screenshots you have, reviews you have. We have lots of sections we have. Analyze the complete thing. If you are okay, then you can install. That is the second option. Third option, simply check how many installations you got. The more installations of the plugin, see when compared to this is only 60,000. This is 2 lakh. Now I can analyze easily. Yes, lots of people are installing this. I can install it. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
this is a
sir.
way how to choose a plugin. Okay. Now this is very very important. Why? Because if unknowingly you are installing some plugin which is not having tick mark, that day it may be working, but after some days, see, each day if you think that each day you are taking one plugin, after 1 month that means you will have 30 plugins in your website. Now think that in this 30 plugin, one plugin is not having tick mark and you have taken. After 30 days, now your website got corrupted. It is showing an error in the website. Now you don't know which plugin is not working. Then you have to remove every plugin and you have to check everything. So make sure that your plugin is having a tick mark. Got it?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Today we'll stop it here. I don't want to go more. Up to plugins we have seen. So I'm getting an error in this installation process. So I'll check with the service provider. Okay, I'll check with the service
Okay.
provider. Let's see. Okay, it is not done. I'll check with the service provider. Okay, we'll see, we'll continue tomorrow. And the thing is, you have to do technical. Whatever we did today, that means buying a domain, buying a hosting, and tomorrow we'll see how to install and everything. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
so today what you should do, you should first analyze the domain name for your business or for yourself. That's the first thing you should do. Okay, if you're not getting idea, you have to go to domain name generator. You have to give the name there, it will generate ideas for you. Okay, after selecting the domain name, you have to go to domain sooner. There, search the domain name is available or not. We may not sure the domain name is available or not. Okay, sir, I have one question. Is there any free hosting website? See, there are people who give free hosting, but what will happen? Your data will be corrupted and they'll show some other things in your website. Now, I'll not suggest that kind of things, or that will be very, very slow. Okay, better go with the better things which have a secure and which is in low cost. I'm suggesting domain sooner, and your wish if you want to go with any other thing. If I only showed for domain 100 rupees difference or 150 rupees difference, if I select hosting also, I can easily show you 500 rupees difference. That will be difference. Okay, so analyze the domain name, buy a domain, buy a hosting, and I did the process here to set up. Try to set up the same thing from your end. I'm getting an error. I think you may not get error. Try. If you are getting error, there is a service provider. You can talk to them. No issue. After connecting, just leave it. Just leave it. Whatever we'll discuss tomorrow, that you have to implement again.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So tomorrow at 11 o'clock, we'll be meeting here again.
Okay,
11
sir.
to 1. How is the session today?
Fine, sir.
Good. Is it understandable?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it helpful for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Thank you, Devi. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
So it's fine. If anybody see already we are in the first session. First session is completed. If somebody is coming middle also, they can't understand the things. So fine. Why? Because lots of people opted for this course. I don't know why they don't came. It's their bad luck. We can't do anything. Fine. So now I'll be forwarding this link to you people. So you should do one thing. From your mail, you have to keep a message. I attended.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so that you can receive an email with the link, the video link, the video recording session. You'll be getting a link. Okay,
Okay.
what you'll be sending? I attended.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll see
Okay.
tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
see
you.
you guys.
Bye.
Bye
Yes.
bye.